Hi, I am Jasmine, an AI-generated member of XLPro team, created by Ashwini Kota, the founder and director of XLPro. Welcome to the world of trade shows, where innovation meets business. In recent years, virtual reality or VR has emerged as a powerful tool for exhibitors to showcase their products and services in immersive ways. But with great technology comes great responsibility. Let's explore some key considerations to ensure a safe and successful VR trade show experience for the attendees. Physical environment. Before diving into the virtual world, ensure the physical environment is safe and spacious. Clear away obstacles and set boundaries to prevent accidents while users are immersed in VR. User comfort and safety. VR can induce motion sickness and discomfort in some users, particularly when the experience involves rapid movements or extensive use of artificial locomotion. Motion sickness can turn a promising VR demo into a nauseating ordeal for attendees. When designing VR experiences for trade shows, prioritize user comfort and safety. Opt for experiences with minimal motion sickness potential and provide adequate breaks for users to rest their eyes and minds. Make sure your attendees are comfortable both while experiencing VR and while waiting for their turn to use the VR headset. Ensure adequate seating and design specific activities to engage them while they await their turn. Hygiene matters. In a shared VR environment, hygiene is paramount. Regularly sanitize VR headsets and controllers to prevent the spread of germs. Provide hand sanitizers and tissues to users and encourage them to clean their hands before and after using the equipment. Accessibility. Not all attendees may be comfortable or able to engage with VR technology effortlessly. Factors such as age, physical disabilities, or even personal preferences can influence an individual's willingness to participate in VR experiences. Therefore, it's essential to offer alternative engagement options for attendees who may not want to or cannot use VR. These could include interactive 360 videos, recording of the VR experience, and 3D models. Data privacy and security. Clearly communicate to attendees what data is being collected and how it will be used. Obtain their consent before gathering any personal information. Implement robust data encryption and storage protocols to safeguard sensitive information and comply with relevant privacy regulations. Technical reliability. VR experiences heavily rely on hardware such as headsets, controllers, and computers, all of which must function seamlessly to deliver a smooth and immersive experience. Any technical glitches or malfunctions can disrupt the VR experience and leave attendees frustrated. Therefore, thoroughly test all VR equipment before an event and have backup plans in place to address unforeseen technical issues. Always be prepared to offer technical support on-site to troubleshoot any issues that arise during VR experiences. By considering these cautions and best practices, you can harness the power of VR technology to create memorable and impactful trade show experiences for attendees while prioritizing safety, accessibility, and data privacy. Remember, it's not just about showcasing your products. It's about creating unforgettable moments that leave a lasting impression. Happy exhibiting!